Back at Llandegla. We're at Llandegla today. No rain, but pretty cold. I think the plan is we do, oh, it's a stream, red into the black, and then hopefully finish on the blue climb rather than the black or the red climb, which is awful. I've been trying out the new mouse case and bar mount. Ta-da! Thing is, I mustn't get distracted and look at my speed.
I can't feel.
Oh, are you good? You good? Okay. Oh, puddle. Damn it. First time I came here, I came on a hardtail. And the second time I came back on my full suspension, I had no recollection of it being so rocky. How did I not remember this on my hardtail? Yeah, it's so much slower. Normally like fire out of that. What's running so slow today? Just so wonderful. I just love bikes. Oh, criminals. I can see my speed in real time. Miles an hour. 14. Oh man, it's slow going in this wind, how are they? So now I think the wind's gonna fight. Oh my gosh, the wind is straight to the pedal. Got my foot wet as well. It's too windy. Man, this bit's usually so fast. You don't have the wind to contend with. Right, joining the black then. This is Snowden View. The wind is pretty horrendous. I've only been down here once before. I don't think there's anything to be too worried about. Yeah, there we go. So this is a black, obviously it's a trail centre black. I think there's some bigger jumps on it, I think. Well, this might not be the jump line, I can't remember. Like I said, I've only been here once. Well, been down this trail once. And I think we picked our way down because we weren't sure if we were going to, you know, go around on a massive drop or something. Oh gosh, that wind! quite dark in the trees. Oh, it's nice and flowy. Into a little climb. I can't remember what this one's called, but I've not been down here before. Dropshore? Dropshore. It's a little weather update. Wind is so strong, it's actually pushing my front wheel on the climb, like to one side. Crazy! Oh, it's so much easier lifting this bike up with these pedals on. Just think about it and it happens. Oh, I went a bit wonky donk down that first section there. Just giving everyone a bit of space. Push that, but it was fine. It came up quicker than I thought. I remember the boulder being much longer. So you I think you just don't want to roll it. You need a slight push. I think I just blocked off it then. So this is B-line anyway. And there's nothing really to worry about on it. Kind of just more like a jump line really, rather than anything technical. Just obviously that boardwalk can catch you out if you're not ready for it. Forward. Oh. Corner, it's that windy. Coming. It's quite cool being able to see your stats on a giant heads-up display. Feels like I'm on an e-bike, and I'm not. Right, let's see if the GoPro will hold out for the last little section, because it's been cold, so it's been struggling. I like this fast bit now, so under the little bridge. So unfortunately the GoPro kept going out again. I think because of the cold. I need to look at getting a cold weather battery. But had a good time exploring, managed to do some new trails and avoided doing the awful red climb. So nice day out at Llandegla. Thanks for watching.